Hi everyone! In this Smarty PAD tutorial, we will go through the colors category, both Explore mode and Play mode. This content has been vetted by educators to ensure a comprehensive learning experience while aligning to standard curriculum. Although you can change categories when the device is on, for the purpose of this tutorial, we will go ahead and set the learning category switch to colors and set the mode selection switch to Explore mode before we turn it on. Now let's go ahead and power on the Smarty PAD using the power switch on the underside of the device.
Hi, I'm Smarty PAD. I'm ready to play with you. Let's go!
In the Explore mode of colors, Smarty PAD will teach you colors. 6 colors will be lit up on the bottom of the interactive display. Smarty PAD will prompt you to touch any color, and once you select a color, it will name the color you pressed and display an image associated with that color. After each sequence, Smarty PAD will go back to the display of the 6 colors for you to select again. Each color has several different images that are selected at random, so the play pattern is not repetitive. Let's go through a few colors together.
Let's name the colors of the rainbow. Touch any color. Red cherries have pips. Yummy. Touch any color. Red boots keep you dry. Touch any color. Green, avocados are green. Touch any color. Blue, the sky is blue.
Now let's move the mode selection switch to the play mode while still in the colors category.
Let's play memory.
The first game in the colors category is called Memory. In this Match 2 game, Smarty PAD shows 12 white cards. When you touch a card, a color appears. The goal is to match colors between 2 cards. You may select 2 cards per turn. Once you match 2 colors, those cards stay turned over, and you continue to play with the remaining cards. Let's give it a try.
Remember where the colors are and try to match 2 of the same. Pick any 2 boxes to start. You found purple. Can you find another purple? Orange. Oh, so close. Try again. You found blue. Can you find another blue? Yellow? Too bad. Not a match. Keep playing. You found green. Can you find another green? Green. Awesome! You made a match. Can you find another match? You found purple. Can you find another purple? Purple. Wow, a match!
Now press the next button to move to the second game in the colors category.
Let's play a barnyard sing-along.
This game is called Repeat the Pattern. In this game, Smarty PAD's interactive display is split into 4 different colored squares. In the beginning, only one of the colored squares will blink and play a farm animal sound. You then repeat that sequence played by pressing that same square once. Next, 2 squares will flash and sound. You then need to press the 2 lit squares in the same order as the sequence you were shown, resulting in playing the same farm animal sounds. As you progress, the series of lit squares and sounds gets longer and more challenging. Let's give it a try.
Can you follow the pattern I played to make the animals sing? Ready, set, go!
Now let's press the next button to go to the third and final game in the colors category.
Let's play color mix. Pick 2 colors and see what happens when you mix them.
This game is called Color Mix. In this game, Smarty PAD shows 3 colors on the interactive display. Select any 2 colors, and Smarty PAD will show you the new color that results from mixing the 2 colors you selected. Let's mix a few of the colors together now.
Touch a color. Red, touch another color. Yellow, red and yellow makes orange. Touch a color. Red, touch another color. Blue, red and blue makes purple.
That completes our demo of all of the activities in the colors category. Make sure to check out the other Smarty PAD videos for more tutorials.